So, you want to become a cryptocurrency millionaire? Well, you are in luck because you have arrived into the market at a very, very special time. 2021 is one of those years when a few $1,000s invested into the right coins can totally change your financial destiny in a very, very quick way. And usually for the positive, not for the negative, right? But the reality is, though, is that not many will actually succeed in making those gains because they'll make all kinds of mistakes, or succeed in keeping those gains because, again, they'll make all kinds of mistakes. Some may simply get lucky, so kudos to those who do, but if you want to have the highest chance of succeeding, you're going to need to have some kind of a game plan. So in this video, I'm going to discuss some simple strategies that you can use to put yourself on the winning side of the equation in 2021 and to make bucket loads of gains in the crypto market. My name is Lark, and I make videos every single day to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you catch all of my videos. By the way, every single week I also produce the Wealth Mastery Investor Report. So every single issue of this report contains a deep dive altcoin report, a trending coin analysis, top tier technical analysis on Bitcoin and altcoins. We also have an interview with a project leader every single week. We have a step-by-step DeFi tutorial, the latest token sales, and much, much more. All of that for less than $10 a week, making this the most value-packed and the most affordable investor report on the market. So don't miss another issue. Click on the link down below in the description where you can learn more and become a member today. Okay, let's start off with this simple truth. You will need to take some risks in order to turn a few $1,000s into a few $100,000 or even more. That means you can't just stick with Bitcoin. And yeah, look, making that kind of money, it's something that's definitely going to happen for a lot of investors. But this is how it's going to be done for most investors, and that is by buying altcoins. Now, if you are coming to this market with hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest or millions of dollars to invest, you just want to double, triple, maybe 5x, that investment, you can just buy Bitcoin, relax, throw that $1,000,000 in there, buy some Bitcoin, you'll be fine. But if you are coming into this market with a few thousand or perhaps tens of thousands of dollars and you want to have some, life-changing financial gains, get some financial independence out of this, you're going to need to hustle a bit harder. Now, Bitcoin could give maybe a 10x return in this bull run from here. So it's going to have $350,000 or something. That's possible. So let's say you start with $5,000, then by the end of the market cycle, you can have $50,000. That's awesome. That's really cool. That's amazing gains. But altcoins can give you 100x gains or even more. Maybe just a 50x gain. That's still insane and still a lot more than you're probably going to get out of Bitcoin. Now here's the little secret. There's going to be lots of 5 and 10x gains too, which you can compound one into the next, all of which can be done, again, much quicker than with Bitcoin. Altcoins just move faster, right? So you can compound 3 or 4 10x gains this market cycle, and you're going to significantly outperform Bitcoin. Then you put your money into Bitcoin to keep it there, right? Alts for making it, Bitcoin's for keeping it. Those altcoin gains, they're happening daily. And look, you don't need to hold a coin forever. In fact, you can get into trouble real quick if you plan on, holding some random altcoin for like 5 years' time, right? So be careful of that. Now, the next tip when chasing cryptocurrency gains is to get in early. Now, this is the area of highest risk, but also of highest reward. Billionaires are buying Bitcoin right now because it's the safe investment, right? These guys have deep need for liquidity because they're coming in with $100 million at a time to purchase these things. A lot of these low cap altcoins don't even have $100 million market caps. Many market participants are also going to just buy Bitcoin because it is that safe play, right? They're not looking to introduce risk, but they're also not looking to make massive gains. You're not going to get super rich buying Bitcoin, but you're also not going to go poor buying Bitcoin. And I say this as someone who owns a lot of Bitcoin. It's the number one coin in my portfolio. But I understand that Bitcoin will not give me 100x gains. It is the rock in my portfolio. It's there to reduce risk, reduce volatility, to bank profits into. Altcoins, they're the money-making agents in my portfolio. I am very heavy into altcoins. I think 2021 is going to be a fantastic year for them. Okay, so there are 4 times when you should be looking to buy an altcoin if you want to maximize your financial return on it. The first is when the price has dropped, dramatically during a general market correction. That is when you, of course, come in and buy the dip. We tend to see altcoins, selling off really, really hard for no particular reason except that the market is just selling off in general. Two, during a token sale, if you can get in, there are regular opportunities to buy into private sales as well as into public sales for these tokens. So find out about them, get into them if you can. They can be very, very lucrative. The third time is shortly after listing on Uniswap. Now this can be dangerous as bots tend to pump the price super hard, super fast in the first few minutes on Uniswap, but it also, if you wait, an hour or something, it can be a big opportunity for returns since the really strong coins can be bought well before they list on bigger exchanges and the wider market wakes up to what's going on. And the fourth time is when no one is paying attention to it. Now this is the classic time to grab a bag when the hype on a fundamentally strong crypto has kind of faded down for a little bit. Maybe you're waiting for a mainnet release, maybe everyone's out chasing the hot new coin. You can take advantage of that situation. I personally made a lot of money off of coins that the market was kind of ignoring, but which were gems that later pumped. So keep an eye out for those coins. During this bull market, both good and bad coins are going to pump. That's just the nature of the market. I know it sounds pretty obvious, but focus on those strong coins with the strong fundamentals. These ones will pump, the longest, the hardest. So you want to have good teams, good investors, good partners, a strong idea, and ideally some kind of a cash flow model that actually gives real value to the token, not just some useless token that's just there to fill a void for some reason. If you can tick all those boxes, then you have a good chance of seeing some good gains actually happening on your coin. And of course, the lower the market cap of that coin, the higher the reward potential is. So we covered when to enter a coin. We covered what coins to be looking for. But when does the money making actually happen? The biggest mistake that people make. Well, the money making only happens in crypto when you press the like button. No, when you press the sell button, guys, not a second sooner. Look, one of the biggest mistakes that most investors will make this market is not realizing their gains. Unrealized gains are crazy. Last bull run, there were a lot of paper millionaires. 1 week, 2 weeks, I'm a millionaire, look, my Blockfolio says so, but they never hit the sell button. And their 7-figure cryptocurrency portfolio turns into like a 4-figure portfolio in a few months. Might sound crazy, but that happened to a lot of people. Don't let that be you. Now, I've made many videos on the topic of taking profits, how to take profits, when to take profits, what to take profits into, all that stuff. So go and watch those videos. They're very informative. Just Google Lark Davis, how to take profits. You'll find them on YouTube. But one thing is for absolute certain, if you never realize your gains, you never get rich. So don't get married to those bags. These are investments. Many of them are highly speculative. You have to realize the reality of this market. You are here to make money, not to hold a coin into oblivion so you can be part of the community. Don't forget why you're here. You're here to achieve financial freedom, right? Stay focused on that. Managing your risk is, in the end, what is going to separate the winners from the losers in the market. That includes taking profits, de-risking after your coin pumps, cutting losers when the situation changes, rebalancing your portfolio, and perhaps most importantly, not going all in on one coin. I know it might be tempting, especially if you're investing with only a few $1,000s, you found the coin, right? The one that everyone's sleeping on. Why is everyone on this coin? It's going to be the next big thing. But even if you have, let's say, $5,000 to invest, spread it out a little bit. 5 coins, 6 coins, maybe 10 coins, whatever it's going to be. And even among these coins, you may not want to put the same amount in each of them. Maybe for the really high-risk coins, you only want to do 1 or 3% of your portfolio into those higher-risk plays because you don't know what the market's going to do. And if that coin goes to 0, then you didn't lose much of your portfolio. But if that coin does a 50x move, then you're going to make a significant gain on your portfolio. So you're winning in that situation. Now, the final thought I want to leave you with is that the average millionaire has 7 revenue streams. Yes, 7. How many revenue streams do you have? How can you build more of them? There's some really easy ones that you can actually do in the cryptocurrency market. Staking coins, for example, Polkadot tokens. great rewards right now. It's like 12% or something. So you get more Polkadot coins put into your wallet. That's a great way to get a passive income stream. You have coins with cash flows like the Uniswap Uni coin that can return some good rewards into your pocket as well, since rewards are based on how much their service is actually used, and you get a percentage of the exchange fees. Now, the Uni token rewards are not live yet. They'll come out with V3, but that should be coming pretty soon. And one of my favorite income streams is lending my coins out. So I lend on BlockFi. I'm getting paid in Bitcoin and dollars and Ethereum every single month. You just set it, you forget it. And of course, if you want to try the service, make sure to use the link in the description to sign up. You'll get that $250 Bitcoin bonus. And the final thought I want to share with you here, if you do make it big in crypto, then you'll probably not end your investing career. You'll probably still be invested in crypto, right? But maybe you want to start expanding your investment outside of the cryptocurrency market. Get yourself some real estate, get yourself some stocks, right? Those are two obvious areas to look for pretty simple diversification to keep a hold of those gains while continuing to build your wealth over time, because it's a journey, guys. It's not a single destination. You don't just get rich and like, okay, that's it, it's all over. Wealth is a journey. It's a lifetime journey. So build with that in mind. Anyway, final thought here. I believe in you. You've got this. You have what it takes to change your financial destiny for the better. You have what it takes to win in this market. So don't be afraid. Get out there and frickin' do it. Take that action you need to make to change your financial destiny. Your question for today: what has been your biggest altcoin gain? Please share it with us down below in the comment section so that new investors can actually have some inspiration and see that anyone can actually make big gains in this market. So hit that up down below, guys. Love to see you sharing your stories. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.